totalmente desde cero.
好きな人は好きなんでしょうね。
Ladies and gentlemen, before we take off, I'd like to take you through a few simple procedures to ensure your safety. Please give your full attention because the procedures may be different from aircraft to aircraft. Let's get straight into it. First, all baggage must be stored carefully and securely, either in this overhead compartment or under the seat in front of you. All aisles and exits must be kept clear. For takeoff and landing, put your seat upright and your table stowed. Please switch off all electronic devices. Your seatbelt must be securely fastened. To fasten, push the two metal ends together until they click. Pull to tighten. To unfasten, just lift the metal flap. Infant seatbelts are available. Keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you're seated and keep them visible. This is a non-smoking flight, so smoking is prohibited anywhere in the aircraft, including the toilets, where sensitive smoke detectors are installed. Tampering with a smoke detector is an offense. If cabin pressure is low, oxygen mask will drop down automatically. Be seated. Pull the mask firmly towards you to start the oxygen flow. Place it over your nose and mouth, adjust the band to secure, and breathe normally. Always attend to yourself first before attending to others. If the bag doesn't inflate, don't worry. Oxygen will still be flowing. Your life jacket can be found here, in the business class, or here, in the economy class. Tear it open, slip the jacket over your head, pass the tape around your waist, and attach the buckle. Pull the loose end to tighten. You can blow out the whistle to attract attention. This light will automatically come on when in water. Always attend to yourself first before attending to others. Life jackets for infants are available if required. In case of an emergency landing, you should get into a brace position, like this, or this, until the aircraft comes to a complete stop. To evacuate, follow these lights to the exit. The exits are identified clearly. This aircraft has 8 exits. Please familiarize yourself with the exits nearest to you, and in the event of an emergency, follow the cabin crew's instructions. If you have to use an evacuation slide, remove high-heel shoes and leave personal belongings behind. Move quickly to the nearest exit and jump on the slide. Move away from the aircraft when you reach the ground. In the event of a water landing, proceed to the exit and inflate your jacket by pulling the red tab. This tube is for manual inflation. The slide will serve as a raft.